Okay, let's go. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Art and Craft Viral Videos. I think I titled it Art and Craft Shorts Mega Bundle, and it's 1,000 videos, and they're short, so they're 30 to 60-second kind of jobbies. The whole thing is $9.95. 1,000 videos, $9.95. And what you're going to look at is what's in here. You can see how they're kind of cutesy arts and crafts. I get it. They're not going to be make money online kind of niche. They're going to be cute flowers and knitting and that kind of stuff. So you're going to want to have a niche that fits with that. You can there's just a file with 1,000 videos, or you can upload them into Canva and edit them and make them obviously have a link back to your bio, to your website, to your video, to your offer, whatever you want to do with that. And so this is going to generate you. This is a video a day for 3 years, 1,000 videos. It's going to cost you $9.95. And it's a pretty amazing setup. I'm just going to jump inside and just show you a little bit of this. There. Okay. So unrestricted use rights, blah, blah, blah. You got 1,000 videos. They're TikTok, YouTube, Shorts, Reels. Upload them to those things, and away you go. $9.95, like I said. I want to scroll down, blah, blah, blah. There you go. Okay, so that I'm going to give you a really good look at this, just when I talk about how these are arts and crafts. So if you had an offer that was, I'm trying to think of something, but I'm going to use ClickBank just to grab an arts and crafts kind of link. There'd be like all sorts of stuff there. You could make a site. You can make a page. You can link all these back to it, and you get sales coming. You get traffic and sales coming out of that. So here you go. Upload 1 or 2 a day. You're going to get traffic, and you can upload these into. And you can see here. This is exactly what they're doing. This kind of thing is exactly what you'd be doing. Putting up cutesy videos, getting followers who are interested in arts and crafts. Right? Exactly like that. Exactly like these guys. You can see the cute little stuff. Make your projects, that kind of things. So here you go. You get 1,000. A tutorial, which is you pull them up into Canva and you can edit them with a link, with a just description of it. There's a lot of stuff that would make a good, quick add-on to any one of these. And away you go. You click the button, bam, bam, grab it for $9.95. The link in the video description will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. And then you click the product box and you can grab it here for $9.95. 1,000 videos, $9.95, fresh out this morning. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.